literally takes less than 2 minutes to download and install it. Okay, just double click the Fraps 3.4.6 and then click on Fraps installation.exe. Click allow, and then this is gonna pop up. You're gonna click agree, and you can set the destination folder to whatever you want, but it's just leave it at drive C / or /Fraps, which is when you click on your C drive, it's gonna be already a folder there called Fraps. And yeah, you're gonna leave it Fraps, and then it literally completes in like 2 seconds. It completes in like 10 seconds total. Okay, then you exit out of this, and you can delete this, which I'm not gonna do because I have to upload it still. It's gonna be a Mediafire upload because a lot of people don't know how to get Mega Upload accounts for free. I can also post a tutorial on that. Premium accounts, sorry, and